So, this is an Evo 10 motor. It's actually in pretty mint condition. There's a light surface blemish over here and a slight interior blemish. Apart from that though, we're gonna try to save it. So we're gonna do some pretty big shit. We're gonna...
I gotta believe that.
We're gonna utilize a crank bolt to pull out a stripped head bolt, courtesy of Steven.
He stripped it, not me.
You're an what are you talking about? You know you stripped it. You know you stripped it. You straight up put the T55 and fucking rounded it, Steven. You rounded it. You twisted it, you rounded it. Oh yeah, welding.
This is actually a base model answer. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with.
Just a little surface
that one
blemish.
took a little blemish right there.
You already know to like and subscribe, but I've got this really cool Rate Your Cars video coming up, so using the Google Forms link in the description, make sure to send me a picture of your car to enter.
Oh, yeah.
It's mildly stripped.
Does that
now
big
wait.
bolt fit?
So you take this bolt, right? Take this bolt, and you slip it right there. Make contact, and you weld her up. And then we're gonna use, what is that, 22, Steven?
That's a 22.
22.
So we got other good stuff here. Actual Evo cams, cam caps, another timing chain cover, head, valve cover.
Oh, yeah. It's okay, it's okay. I have an idea.
Yep, staring at it again. Right?
I think we should hit the bolt with some brake clampers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. There you go. That'll work. I just want to get it as straight as possible.
Tic tac, weld, weld, weld.
Okay, that's looking not bad. Can this come out?
Oh, you're so close, look.
Yeah, I know. I need to go a little lower. She's twisting. Like, yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
That's extremely toxic.
When it's, yeah. When it's that hot.
It's gonna break at the bottom.
Yeah, it's gonna break at the bottom. And it's gone. It's gone.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Darn.
Yo, that bolt is stubborn.
Yeah. I don't know about that one, guys. She's on there. That's unfortunate.
Okay, so now can we go to phase 2?
That's phase 2.
Damaging the block.
Damaging the block.
Ooh, I know exactly what to do.
Wait, that might actually be a genius idea.
Alright, fuck it. Let's try that.
Here.
Alright, so you're gonna have to hold it like pretty perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch. I just wanna start it first. That's a lot of weld bead.
Let's see.
That is crispy amount of, I really don't know how much that's gonna hold. It needs more down the side, but we can't really get down there. You wanna try twisting it?
Yeah.
It's really just to break it.
One more, though.
You trying to like, oh, that was right.
I have a strong feeling that you're gonna twist it and then the rebar is just gonna turn.
Go.
That's about what I thought was gonna happen.
Go, 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 go. Don't stop twisting. There we go.
Oy.
Okay, that's probably not a bad thing. Now kind of down there. That was probably the bolt we just took off, didn't we? For science, if it's Kaputski's, do we have permission to put a spark plug socket on the spark plug and impact it inwards?
You understand what this head means?
No, I know.
This is like, I can't believe it. This is like a good engine, and now it's
Not good.
Less good engine.